कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅमात अटक जाल्लो अनिकेत खांडोळकराचे आरोपी दीपश्री सावंता कडेन लिंक. सुत्रांनी दिले म्हायती प्रमाण तो खंय मंत्री गोविंदा कडेन कामाक आशिल्लो, मात ताणें खंय बरे पयलीं काम सोडिल्लें. काँग्रेस म्हणटा अनिकेता कडच्यान खंय बॅकडेटेड राजिनामो घेतिल्लो.
In a press conference held last week of this month, we had clearly mentioned that several BJP functionaries are involved in the cash for job scam. Also, some people close to the ministers, some personal staff of the ministers are directly involved in this. And we had also brought one thing to the notice of the people, that a personal staff of one of the minister is involved. His resignation backdated has already been taken so that the minister can tomorrow wash off his hands of this entire scam. Now it has come to our knowledge that a personal staff of a cabinet minister is arrested. His name is Aniket Khandolkar, and it is very shocking that these things are going on in broad daylight. Although the BJP is in denial mode since last several weeks, we have seen BJP taking press conferences and trying to save their skin. Also, we have seen Goa police senior officers holding a press conference and giving a clean sheet to the political connection, despite of all these things being wide open in public domain.
आरोपी अनिकेताक 13 दिसांची न्यायालयीन कादळ.
आणि हे जे आयज तेका जो अनिकेत आहा तेका मार्डोल पुलिसांनी हांगासर रिमांडाक जेन्ना JMFC प्रोड्यूस केलो तेन्ना तेका 13 दिसांची ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी तोपावलेली आसा आनी तेका आतां हांगसरल्यान आत्तां मार्डोल पुलीस घेवन गेल्ले आसा. पुणेच्यान प्रुडेंटा खातीर विवेक प्रभू.